Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my March favorites for the month. Again, like I did in the February one, I'm going to have skincare, makeup, and also hair care. They are different products. Like I said, I was going to not repeat things in the February one, which was my first favorites video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, so first, just a little disclaimer. I just wanted to explain like what's going on with my face. Clearly you can tell that I have like something going on with my Medusa piercing. So I will tell you just a little bit about that. If you want to skip this, go ahead, but just so you can know like what's going on with my face, I thought I'd let you know. So basically, the way I had my Medusa pierced, it was a dermal. So recently I've like started to notice like weird stuff about it, like it has started to shift a little bit and it had a little bump on it. And also for work, I take out the gems because with a dermal there's like a little anchor and you can unscrew the gem. And I don't know, recently I've just been like kind of weirded out by like the whole like metal piece in my face from at work, kind of self-conscious of it. So I decided to actually get it removed. So that's why I have this really weird like bloody thing. I won't get too close because it is like really gross looking, but it will go away. I'm just like waiting for the scab to fall off. But once it heals, it's apparently supposed to take like 3 months for it to heal. Once it does heal, I'm gonna get it re-pierced like I should have. Just getting out the dermal was really terrible, so definitely I recommend to not get the dermal and just get it completely pierced. But yeah, I'm like really upset that it's gone because I feel like that piercing is kind of like a part of me. So I'm gonna be wearing my septum like every day now because I feel so like sad that it's gone. But yeah, for the few next videos I'm gonna have this like really weird thing, but please bear with me. Please like just try not to look at it. But yeah, that's why I have this thing. But yeah, thank you guys for understanding, but please keep watching for the rest of the video. Thank you. Okay, to start off, let's go into makeup. So first I have the cotyairspun loose face powder, and this, as everyone knows, is like a huge recommendation from every single beauty blogger out there. Every YouTuber, everything, they are obsessed with this. So one day I was like at work, I had to stop in a Walgreens and I saw it. And I was like, oh my god, here it is, because honestly I've never even seen or heard of this until I started watching all these YouTube videos. So I decided to pick it up. And this was only $7.99 from Walgreens, and as you can see, like this has a lot of product in it. So for the value, it's incredible. But also, this product is so good. It has like saved my oily face so much. So basically what I do with it is I will take my beauty blender, usually like this little one right here, pat it on to all my really oily places on my skin, which would be like right here where I have a lot of pores, my nose, my chin, and I just add like a really thin layer. And then I let it sit for a few seconds, then I go in with a brush and I will just work it in and just get rid of all that like loose powder, and then I'll do the rest of the powder all on my face. But literally since I've used this, my makeup has stayed on so much better. My blush, my bronzer, and my highlighter goes on so much smoother. It's just so much easier to blend stuff with this powder. So I highly recommend this, and I've been using it for the whole month and it feels like I haven't really had a dent in it. It does come with this little powder puff, and it is kind of messy. That's the only thing about it that I don't like, because it's just a pop off, so like the powder literally goes everywhere. It also has a really like baby powder scent, which honestly I really don't like, but since the product is such good quality, I'm like just getting over the scent. But yeah, I definitely recommend trying this if you haven't. Compared to the Laura Mercier powder, I would say it's just about the same, to be honest. But yeah, there's that. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Anastasia. This is the Clear Brow Gel. This retails for $22, but I did get this in a free like Ulta gift. I got like a bunch of things when I spend over a certain amount of money. But yeah, this is what it is. It's a small little sample size, and it just is a spoolie with clear brow gel. And I know I talked about, I think with my Get Ready With Me, this was before I had this, my brows can be so wild. They'll like go in any which way. Even if I put on like a pomade, even that, they just get weird. But also with glasses, I feel like they do sometimes mess with my brows. They make my brows like go a different way or whatever. So this has saved me. So basically what I do is I do my eyebrows and I just layer this on over, and it just makes them stay in place. I really, really like this. I'm probably going to end up trying more Anastasia brow stuff. Like, I know they just came out with a new brow product, which is also like a gel kind of thing, so I might try that as well. So next, I'm going to talk about the coverfx. This is the Perfector face palette, and this is in shade light medium. There's 2 different shades. So this retails for $45. It just came out. I know it was exclusive to BoxyCharm or like first release there. So I'm not sure if this is available yet, but I love this. I was a little skeptical about it in the BoxyCharm video. I don't know, I thought it was going to be a cream product like I said in that video, and I was a little skeptical. There's a lot of fallout in this product as well. But I have like seriously learned to love this, and I have not used anything else besides this palette. It's just so good. Like, I'm wearing it today. You could see compared to other days where I wear my bronzer, it looks kind of muddy and like doesn't really seep into my skin as well. But you can really tell that everything is like so seamless. So I start off with a contour shade. I use it as my bronzer, but just all the products in this are so great. I've been using everything. I use the blush. I didn't use that today, but I do use it a lot. It's very pigmented. It looks very great. I also use the brightener. I use it today under my eye, on my nose. Basically like a contouring light shade. You just put it underneath certain areas to make it brighter. Obviously that's why it's a brightener. It does have like a kind of a sheen to it, as you can see. So it does add like a little bit of glitter everywhere, but that's okay with me because it's not like a highlighter kind of glitter. And then the finishing powder. And yeah, the highlighters are really great. Everything in this palette is really great. I'm probably going to be using it down to nothing. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. Again, you could probably pick this up at Sephora or Ulta. You'd have to check on that. As you know, in a bunch of my videos, I'm pretty sure last video I talked about the buxom lip products, but I just need to like go over it because these are my lifesavers right now. I can't stop using them. Today I am using the new pastel shade. This is the full-on plumping lip cream in White Russian, and it's so pretty. I just used it with it. It smells like cotton candy. It is so great. I didn't use any lip liner, but I can just imagine how great this will look over like a light pink color. Sephora recently had a sale on them, so I did pick up 2 more shades. I picked up Amuse Me and also Boldly Go. And one is a pink. Well, you can kind of see through it. One is a pink and one is a bright red. So I'm super excited for this. I am going to do swatches of these in my new glosses video, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, these are so great. If you haven't tried any buxom products, I'm telling you, you have to because they are such good quality. And honestly, the price is really not too bad. It's $20 for these ones, and I believe also for the new ones, which these are exclusive to Ulta. So definitely go and try to pick these up. There's some really great like springy pastel colors, which I'm definitely going to get some more of these before they do sell out. So next I'm going to move on to the skincare. So I have the Laneige. This is the Cleansing Multi Cleanser. This is what it looks like. I actually picked this up in February, but I didn't want to include it in my February favorites because I wasn't really sure if I was liking it because I haven't had it for a long time. So I wanted to progress over time and see really how great this worked on my skin. But I love this. I know the last video I talked about the water sleeping mask, also by Laneige. The best thing about this is that you really only need to use like a pea size and it lathers all over your face. I've also noticed that my skin hasn't really gotten dry since using this. I've also stopped using a lot of specific acne cleansers just because they kind of like weirded me out. I know like a lot of Tati's videos, she talks about skincare and certain things in it. And I just feel like over time, all those acne products with all those different like chemicals and stuff is just not going to make my skin look great. And it really has made an effect on my skin. It is breaking out a little bit on my chin, but overall I just feel like everything is just more smoother. Everything is less red than it usually is. But yeah, if you're looking for a new cleanser, I definitely recommend this line. It is $23 at Sephora, which really isn't bad, and this is for 6 fluid ounces. And like I said, I've had this for almost 2 months now, and I still have probably about half of it. So this is probably going to last me for a while. Okay, so next I have a little different product than normal. This is the Lush Scrubee, but this is like a soap kind of thing. It's an exfoliator. This is all coffee, and it smells so good. It is like a honey coffee blend, but this is really great. I love the way it feels in the shower. It leaves like a moisturizing feel on your skin. and it's just really great. This was only $7.95. I definitely recommend trying it. It's like already melting in my hand, but it smells so good. I do use it in the shower normally before I put on soap just because it does exfoliate. I only use it like on my chest in certain areas. I don't want to do it all over. It does shed a little bit. All the coffee beans do fall off, so just keep in mind of that. But definitely try that. If you haven't tried any Lush products, I definitely recommend that. It's super awesome. Okay, so next for skincare, I have the hempz lotions. So I recently tried these instead of the normal pistachio that I showed you in the last favorites video because I wanted to try something different, and I did have some hair care from them and I really liked it. But also I didn't want to stick to getting one big one, which I think is like $23 for a big ounce. So I wanted to try a different kind of variety of all of them. The ones that I have are the Blueberry Lavender Chamomile. This is the Aroma Body one. It's supposed to leave a calming sensation. This one I like to use before bed just because I feel like it calms me down. I just use it like regular lotion. And the nice thing about these is that they are really like watery. So once you put them on, it just really easily blends. I know like some lotions, it's kind of heavy and you have to really keep blending it in until it does dissolve into your skin. But these are really great. These have really helped my dry skin like everywhere, especially like winter going into spring. It's really helped me. So the next one I have is the Blushing Grapefruit and Raspberry Cream. This one has like a pink sheen to it. You can't really see, but yeah, this one is really great as well. And the next one I have is Pink Pomelo and Himalayan Sea Salt. This one smells really, really good. They all smell really good, but this one specifically, I love like the salty smell to it. So these two are $7.50 and this one's actually $3.75. So they are pretty affordable, and like I said, I've had these for about a month and I only have half the bottle in each of them. So they do last me a while, and honestly it is kind of nice. I like having the variety of like trying like different ones or using different ones every night and morning because then I don't get bored of it. So my last favorite for the month is this mini PYT straightener I got in a BoxyCharm. It's supposed to be $75 to buy it singly, but I love this. Anyone with bangs, I highly recommend because that's what I do my bangs with every day. So recently I have not been straightening my hair at all. I haven't done it in like 2 weeks. That's why it's been looking like really crazy all over the place because all I'm doing lately is just blow drying it. But obviously if you have bangs and you can't just blow dry your bangs because they will either stick out straight or stick out straight the other way. So I recommend this because you can really get in really good and really define it. And also since it's so small, you're not like burning your head like with a big straightener because it's hard to get in there and clamp it. So this is really easy. It does heat up really hot, so I do recommend using it like almost as soon as you plug it in so you're not burning your bangs. But yeah, this is really great. Again, I got this in a BoxyLux, I believe either the first or the second one they released. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my March favorites video. I will put links to all the products below in case you are interested and you do want to buy them. I am going to try to post these favorite videos every month just to show you what products I'm loving, what I'm using. If you guys have any recommendations of products that you love this month, please let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching so much. Have a great rest of your day.